Now we will start creating our sidebar over here. So the first part we want to create is the section about the author, which is created with the card component. So in our code editor, we first create the aside element, because all the content we're creating now is not part of the main content. We start with an H2 heading element and the text about the author. Then we create the card component, where we start with a wrapping div tag with the class card. Inside this, we want to create another div tag with the class card body. This creates our padding around the content, and the outer card class creates the border radius and the border. Alright, the first thing in the card body should be the image, with the source being an image from placeholder with the dimensions 200 times 200 pixels. We'll give it the class img fluid to make it responsive, and the alt text figure image. Then we want to create our inline list, which is an unordered list with the UL tag and the class list inline to make this have the horizontal alignment. Inside our UL tag, we create a list item tag with the class list inline item. We also want this to appear with small font size, so we add the class small as well. Now we create an anchor tag, and inside this anchor tag we first add the Twitter text, and we'll now duplicate this and change the text in the second list item to LinkedIn. So this will be our two social links for the author. Now we want to create the author name, and we'll use an H5 heading element and then wrap the author name in an anchor tag like this, and give the anchor tag the text author name. Finally, we'll create a description about the author using a paragraph element, and I'll just paste in some random text here. Okay, let's have a look at this in the browser. I'll just resize the browser window. We can see that we have the card component here. It's not that pretty yet, but we'll make improvements and adjustments later on with responsive classes and different utility classes.